Alright, so we've got another flashlight. Yeah, subbed up, I might thinking, man, you're a bit strange, man. Why you got so much flashlights? I don't know what it is, man. I just always had an obsession with flashlights. And as you know me, I just like gadgets. I like gadgets. Well, I bought this off the Facebook marketplace. That's where I actually bought it. And the guy wanted £25 for it, so I thought, let me just try my luck. And I offered him 20, and he actually accepted my offer. So I thought it's a good deal, I can't miss. So that's one of the reasons why I bought this one. Rechargeable as well. LED lenser. So the guy that I bought it off, yeah, he said that he bought these from the States. That's what he says. He said he bought it from the States. He bought a couple of them for his for the people he works with. Because he said he worked in the theatre, but I don't exactly know what he does in the theatre. Well, that's what he said. He works in the theatre doing something. Yeah, he said he was going back to Australia, and for whatever reason he didn't need them anymore. He said he bought quite a few of them for his work colleagues. But there it is. Look at the charger there. Some screws, wall plug. So it comes with like a belt clip. It's quite strong as well, you know. Yeah, that is a very strong belt clip, that. And this is like a magnetic base there. See that? Let me adjust this camera so you can see. See that? Magnetic. So I'm guessing this must screw to the wall somehow, and that goes in there like that. Yeah, so that bit, that's what the wall plugs are for. That screws into the wall, so you can just hang it up like that. Well, that's quite good, convenient. And this belt clip turns, but it's very stiff though. Well, that's a good thing, I guess. That's a good thing. Now here's the torch itself. Come on, focus, focus. So it says Matco tools on there, on that side, and that side. It says LED lenser. So this does 200 lumens. That's the max it does. Right, back to the torch. There's the button. See it there? It's got two modes, so that's the brightest mode. That's the low mode. It's simple, two modes. Three, actually, three, I was wrong. One, 2, 3. Oh, so to get the strobe one, you gotta press it quick. Okay. So you got like a zoom. What do you call that? Zoom, or I don't know what you'd call that. You can push that in and out. So you got the wide beam where you can do the focus beam. And for £20, and when I checked online, this is about £60, you know, but I'll double check. I'll double check on that. This is a battery inside here. Let's open it up. So that's basically the same size as a AA battery. It's Ledlenser's own battery. Don't know if you can zoom in. Let me try and zoom in. See it there? And the battery is 3.7 volt. That's a lithium battery. And that's AA batteries at 1.5 volt. I doubt a AA will power this. So it needs it needs one of these to power it. Yeah, man, for £20 it can't go wrong. And it's got everything in there. Bargain, man, bargain. Well, this torch, I'm going to keep this on my keychain because it's quite small. It's not the smallest torch to keep on my keychain, but I guess it's small enough. And I've got that lanyard thing there as well to put on it. Yeah, bargains, man, yeah. If you look on Facebook Marketplace, what's the other one? Gumtree. What's the other site? Spock. You get some good bargains, you know. Especially in these times now when people are trying to, you know, cut back and save money, you get some good bargains.